In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. If you want to speak with Claude instead of typing, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Voice mode lets you interact more naturally, almost like having a real conversation, which can be especially helpful when you want quicker replies or when typing is less convenient. To begin, open the existing chat that you want to turn into a voice chat, or start a new chat if you prefer. Either option works, so just choose whatever makes the most sense for you. If you already have a conversation going and want to continue it by voice, opening that same chat is the easiest way to keep the context. If you're starting fresh, simply create a new conversation and get ready to enable voice mode there. Once you're inside the chat, look at the bottom right of the text field. You'll see an audio waves icon. This is the button for voice mode. Go ahead and click that icon to activate it. If this is your first time using voice features, your device or browser may ask for permission to access your microphone. If that happens, make sure to allow microphone access, otherwise voice mode won't be able to hear you. After you click the audio waves icon and your microphone is enabled, you can start talking to Claude AI using your voice. At this point, the interaction becomes much more conversational. Instead of typing your prompts, you can simply speak naturally into your mic, just as if you were talking with another person. This can make brainstorming, asking questions, or working through ideas feel faster and more fluid. For the best experience, try speaking clearly and in a quiet environment so your microphone can pick up your voice more accurately. If Claude doesn't seem to respond correctly, it's a good idea to check that the right microphone is selected on your device and that your browser permissions are still enabled. And that's really all there is to it. Open a chat, click the audio waves icon in the bottom right of the text field, and start speaking to Claude AI in voice mode. It's a quick feature to turn on, and it can make your conversations feel much more natural and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.